Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Manitowoc ICE 040003-501 frame assembly with touch review 2026. Emergency weather radio with large solar panel portable emergency solar radio charger review commercial ICE maker 680 lbs 24H industrial ICE review 2026 best rational combi oven commercial VEVOR commercial convection oven 424 cuft LG French door refrigerator LG LRFLC 2706S 27CU FT French door smart guide Bosch 006 11475 genuine OEM lower dish rack roller review. Is it worth it? Check the video description for the updated price link. Best Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon 6th Gen 20KH002 plus 14 MSI Raider 18HXAI 18 120Hz UHD gaming laptop review 2026 HP EliteBook 1040G 11 Business AI PC laptop 14 review. Is it worth it? Asus ZenBook Duo Dual 14 OLED WQXGA 120Hz review 2026 best HP ZBook Power G10 workstation HP ZBook Ultra G1 a mobile workstation AI laptop. Check the link in the description to get yours today.